Subscribe to Rajesh Javalkar and press the bell icon to watch more videos.
Good morning friends. Welcome to Javalkar's English Academy. लास्ट वीडियो हमारे लास्ट पार्ट में पहले पार्ट में हमने देखा था वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर 9th स्टैंडर्ड पोएम वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर, उसका एक्सक्लेमेशन समरी हमने देखा है। आज हम देखते हैं वर्कशॉप क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ द पोएम वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर, वर्कशॉप ऑन पेज नंबर 3. Walk a little slower. Let's start English workshop. Question number 1, read the poem aloud. So you read the poem aloud. Question number 2, put the words given in brackets in the proper blanks. Sorry. A. The dash dash is talking to its dash dash. The child is talking to its father. B. The dash dash is reading and the dash is following. The father is reading and the child is following. C. Someday the dash dash will become dash dash. Someday the child will become a father. D. The dash dash does not wish to fall while following his father. The child does not wish to fall while following his father. Question number 2. Find the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. The words that appear at the end of the line, they are called rhyming words. Let's see. In first stanza, said a little child so small, and I don't want to fall. Small and fall. These are rhyming words. Line number 2 and line number 4. You find the words small and fall. Stanza 2, line number 2. Sometimes they are hard to see. Line number 4. Far, you are leading me. See and me. These are rhyming words. Third stanza, line 2. You are what I want to be. Line 4. You will want to follow me. Be and me. These are rhyming words. Stanza 4, line 2. And know that I was true. Line 4. For I must follow you. True and you. They are rhyming words. Question number 3. The meaning of the words in the following pairs show they are related. That they are related. Daddy, father. Father is related to child. Child is related to father. Follow and lead. Follow is related to lead. And lead is related to follow. Find 5 more pairs of related words. Example is given. Teacher, student. Doctor, patient. Give, take. Easy, hard. Hot, cold. Live, die. Before, after. Paper, book. Teaching, learning. Blackboard, chalk. Question number 4. The child in the poem requests his father to walk slower. Here, the poet implies that the child wants to understand his father's action better. The child would like to act the same way, but wants father to be more understanding towards the child's needs. What is implied in the following line? कविता में बच्चा अपने पिता से धीमी गति से चलने का अनुरोध करता है। यहाँ कवि का तात्पर्य है कि बच्चा अपने कार्यों को बेहतर ढंग से समझना चाहता है। बच्चा उसी तरह से कार्य करना चाहता है लेकिन बच्चे की जरूरतों के प्रति पिता बच्चे की जरूरत के प्रति अधिक समझदार हो। निम्नलिखित पंक्तियों में से क्या निहित है? ए, sometimes your steps are fast. This line implies that sometimes his father takes very quick decision, fast decision. B, sometimes your steps are hard to see. This line implies that sometimes the decisions taken by father, they are very quick. The child is unable to understand the decision. C, I would want to live just right. This line suggests that the child do not want any mistake while guiding its own child. D, and know that I was true. Child want to make sure that it has given its child the right guidance, decisions. Question number 5. Using your own ideas, frame 3 sentences that show continuous action. Present continuous tense. Example, you are leading me. You are leading me. यहाँ you subject है, are. Verb, leading, leading, me. I am following you. I am following you. I am talking to you. Birds are flying in the sky. यहाँ structure subject plus verb, subject plus is, am, are plus verb को ing लगता है, ing for plus object, ये उसका स्ट्रक्चर है। Question number 6. Using your own ideas, frame at least 3 sentences that show future action or state. Example, who will want to follow me when I am grown up? इसका स्ट्रक्चर सब्जेक्ट प्लस शल, will प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म होता है और ऑब्जेक्ट ये स्ट्रक्चर रहता है। I will do it. I will do it. I shall do it. You will not able to walk. You will not able to walk. When you become a doctor. When will you become a doctor? When will you become a doctor? Question number 7. Discuss the following and write the summary of your own discussion. Summary of your discussion in the form of bullet points. Discuss the following and write the summary of your discussion in the form of bullet points. How are certain ideas, customs, knowledge passed from one generation to next generation? The next generation follows the footsteps of past generation. Hence, the idea, customs and knowledge of others is followed by each child. By observing or reading through books, seeing pictures, by folk songs, by arts, by telling stories of our by parents, by telling stories, by stories telling by our father, mother, grandfather, through celebration, monumental building, by mass media, by Google, etc. B. It is necessary for children to follow the footsteps of their forefathers. If yes, why? Why it is necessary? Why sometimes it is necessary to change the old ways? इसका answer yes. It is necessary to follow the footsteps of our father because basic values that do not change, such as honesty, hard work, perseverance, perseverance. But sometimes it is necessary to change old ways because many of the traditions, customs are based on superstition, which cannot be explained by reason. We have to accept the modern ideas. We have to change the old ideas. Question number 8. Do you have a role model? What qualities do you appreciate in your role model? Baba Amte was an Indian social worker. He was my role model. He was social activist known particularly for his work for rehabilitation and empowerment of people suffering from leprosy. I appreciate his dedication to helping the lepers who has the Baba Amte has chosen to work for the treatment and rehabilitation of leprosy. This great work. Question number 9. Think of an occasion when you did not like the decisions and actions of your family member, but realized later on that they were right. Write about it in 5 to 8 lines. You can write your own experience. This is question number 10. Within 2 minutes, write as many as phrases or sentences as you can using a little letter, a little letter, wait a little longer, just a little to the left, a little higher. कुछ और एग्जांपल हम ले सकते हैं. A little while ago, a little story, a little rain, a little report, a little everything. So here are workshop, English workshop of poem Walk a Little Slower.